Shane, let's check out what we got going out in the shop today. Come on this way. As you can see, it's business as normal. Even with the virus going on, we're swamped. But we do have kind of a unique job in the shop. One of the things that we do around here is we build custom suspension boxes. This customer, as you can see, got into a little accident and hit a post and bent the box up. What's unique about this box is not only that it goes under a tanker and it's made to fit under there, but it's all out of stainless. So we built the box from scratch because it was actually the most economical way to repair it and do it the right way. We had our welder build a full box, and as you can see, he's already got it mounted under the trailer. He's got to finish the alignment and we'll get him back on the road. But this is just one of the things that we do that's a little bit unique at North Central to make repairs the best that we can.